D&D here, and y'all looking around like where the dogs at. They in the house. They in the house, right, Dustin? Yeah, they in the house. No, I made a last video. My last video I made. Nigga Daisy, she in there too. But yeah, they in the house. She trying to get something on the other side, and he ain't trying to get it. But anyway, this is I think the last video I made on YouTube was I was talking about what I was using, for the fleas and ticks, and the bugs that were out here or whatever. And what I was using is one of these products. Yeah, they ain't supporting me or anything like this right here, but I ran across this. Also, I had some other stuff that I was using topical, but it's been working pretty good. Got a decent smell, nice smell to it too. This is what it is right here. And I picked this up at Tractor Supply. Shout out to my boy down in Florida. NOE. He's the one say, hey man, I've been using this for a while. This is what I found out after I had picked it up. And so he put me down on it. Well, he said, hey man, it's a good thing. So I made this video. I don't know, maybe somebody might be looking for something new, something different. It's always like you always change it up, because sometimes things is working. Doesn't necessarily mean it's always gonna work every season. But that's what I've been using. It seems to be working pretty good. It's just early morning here. Pretty decent weather. We about to get out there probably in the next, I don't know, maybe the next 20 minutes or whatever. Might get out there, take a walk. Sometimes it's already done by this time of the day. Sometimes not. Or sometimes I'll wait later. But yeah, I just want to make this video and get it out of here. D&D, Dustin, Daisy. We out.